Are you looking for a powerful way to grow your YouTube channel beyond just uploading videos? The YouTube Community tab is your secret weapon. It's more than a simple posting tool. It's a direct line to your audience that helps build lasting relationships. Start with polls to spark conversations and gather feedback. Ask viewers what content they want next, or get their opinions on trending topics. This not only boosts engagement, but also gives you valuable insights into your audience's preferences and interests. Share behind-the-scenes updates and exclusive sneak peeks to make your subscribers feel like insiders and part of your creative process. Don't forget to post regular updates, highlight milestones, announce upcoming videos, or celebrate community achievements to keep your audience informed and excited. Use images and GIFs to make your posts visually appealing and stand out in your subscribers' feeds. Respond to comments on your community posts to foster a sense of connection and show that you value their input. When you consistently interact, your audience feels appreciated and is more likely to stay loyal and engaged. Ready to elevate your channel and build a thriving community? Subscribe now for more actionable tips and strategies.